Hello, my name is Steve Seabaugh. I've been a flooring contractor for going on 30 years. Today I'm going to talk to you about installing Malibu Wide Plank hardwood flooring. Malibu Wide Plank flooring has two different constructions. The first is 1/2-inch tongue and groove flooring. It comes 7.5 inches wide, 15 to 74 inches in length, with half of the length being at least 74 inches. The second construction is 3/8-inch engineered click flooring with random lengths from 15 inches to 48 inches and 6.5 in width. The Malibu 1/2-inch product has three different installation methods. The first is the mechanical fasten. When we're installing the Malibu Wide Plank, we want to be sure and get it tapped in before we mechanically fasten. It's a real good idea to have a tapping block so that you don't damage the edge of the wear layer. When we mechanically fasten, we want to be fastened every 4 to 6 inches. Whenever you get to the end wall, you want to measure and subtract 1/4 inch from the measurement so that you're leaving a 1/4 inch gap for the board to go in for expansion. Again, we're going to nail 2 inches from the end and every 4 to 6 inches. And after that, there you have it. The next installation method we want to discuss is floating. On this one, we're going to use an edge glue. Once we get it full, all we have to do is butt it into the next board, just like on the nail down. We want to beat it in with a beater block. Any excess glue, you just wipe up with a wet rag and move on. Again, when we get to the board at the end of the wall, we need to measure, and we will subtract 1/4 inch to mark for our cut, so it leaves us a 1/4 inch gap at the wall. Now that we have our board cut, we usually want to check it until we're comfortable, make sure that it fits before we put the glue in the groove. On our third application technique, we're going to show how to full trowel glue using the appropriate adhesive. We want to install this product backwards to the way you typically install it, with the tongue in, groove facing out. This allows you to lock the tongue into the groove without sliding and pushing glue up where it doesn't allow the boards to come together. Typically, we'll spread it fairly quickly, and then we want to come back and make perpendicular lines from our material. We want to bring the board in again. You do not want to lay the board down 1/2 inch away from the rest of the field and slide it in like a snowplow. That will not allow the boards to seat together. It's much simpler if you get the tongue started into the groove and just kind of wiggle it in. A lot of times you'll hit it, put a little weight on it, and it's in there. Now we're going to talk to you about the Malibu click system. It's very easy installation. The great thing about it, you can go over any substrate from tile to old vinyl, anything. So first thing we need to do is lay down our underlayment, cut it to length. Once we have that in place, you want to always be sure and overlap from the piece before, because this is also a moisture barrier. So we're going to come in, and basically there's no fasteners for this flooring. A lot of it's just wiggling it in place. We still will need our mallet and tapping block. Anyone can do this themselves. Enjoy the weekend. Have a great time doing it.